Back with another quick hitter video, making sure you guys get to see the shoe that I've worn the most in the last year and a half since its release, the Epic React. They've now updated the Epic React again with this Infinity Run. React cushioning feels fantastic. And I'm not talking about just going out and running. I'm talking about just walking around. It just feels great, right? But this is the Nike Epic React Flyknit 2. It's white, black, pure platinum. Style code is BQ8928-101. I won't get into all of the minor details because these are now showing up at the Nike factory store. If you go and hit a Nike factory store, you'll find these at a considerable discount. And if you are using the Nike app, it's kind of this Oreo colorway. If you're using the Nike app, you should have gotten, I mean, by the time I edit this video and put it up, it'll be completely irrelevant, but it'll remind you that you should be inside of the Nike digital system because you get these really, really cool coupons. And there was a 30% off coupon. So I love this new React that's placed on the inside of the shoe on the left, and then in the inside of the right shoe, it's just a big swoosh on the inside. But you guys know I swear by this shoe. The only thing that changed from the previous model is this high, well, it's not high, it's a lower cut on the heel counter here. It's not as, the previous model had kind of like a weld that went all the way around here, and this little cup part really didn't exist in the same way. So this is a lot more stable shoe, so they've switched that up a little bit. But you can see the Flyknit, and at $150 it comes in cheaper than a lot of the other knit shoes that are for running. I ran in this shoe a pretty fair amount, not in this one, the one, and it just feels good. It's like a recovery shoe because it has so much bounce. I shouldn't use bounce since that's Adidas cushioning, but it does have a lot of bounce. But I wanted to make sure you guys got to see this shoe just in case you were wondering, should you go and check it out. The box says 109, but these were not 109. Like I said, at the Nike factory store, these were $89.97 with an additional 30% off. So it's pretty cheap. But it's a great feeling shoe. It's a good looking shoe. I do like this change where they embroidered this swoosh on. And that's really the only other change in the shoe. The one thing that they didn't adjust, it feels a bit softer, is this pull tab back here. When you first get the shoe, if you get it true to size, this thing rubs your heel a little bit. So be careful with that, but it is a really nice shoe, man. The Nike Epic React Flyknit 2. It's a great shoe. See you guys on the next one.